Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a seafood bucket. Begin by rinsing and deveining shrimp, scrubbing clams, and trimming crab sections, then set a large pot of water to boil with salt and seasoning. While the water heats, chop aromatics and measure spices, and prepare corn, potatoes, and sausage. Organize a serving station with newspaper or trays, lemon wedges, and melted butter for dipping and quick plating. Start by boiling potatoes and corn until fork tender, then add smoked sausage and hard shellfish like clams and mussels to build the flavor base. Introduce crab legs or lobster next to heat through without falling apart, and add shrimp and flaky fish last for just a minute or two. Drain everything together, transfer to a large tray, and toss immediately with melted butter and fresh lemon for a bright, savory finish. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: I love The Simple Path to Wealth as a handy book for building smart money habits, which helps when planning seafood budgets or splurges. Think of it as a small, useful nudge toward better saving so you can buy quality ingredients without worry. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a relaxed, crowd-friendly meal, spread newspaper or butcher paper and heap the seafood bucket in the center for sharing. Include crab crackers, small forks, wet wipes, and bowls for shells so guests can dig in comfortably and stay tidy. Complement the meal with garlic butter, cocktail sauce, and a crisp vinegar slaw to cut richness, and remind everyone to squeeze lemon over their portions for bright acidity and extra flavor balance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.